Right, YouTube. Haven't posted a video in about a week and a half. My car, once again, I got these rims on here that my buddy had took from me a while back, and he never paid me. And well, he passed away, and I ended up getting them back, luckily somehow. But they're not the best, but I figured if I aircraft them, clean them up real good, polish them back out, they'll look legit. I'm sure it'll be looking better than these. I was just test fitting them again. They're I think they have like a 0 offset. That's what it looks like from the side. So it'll fit in there perfect. Maybe a little camera in the front, which I got a camera kit. And I'm painting the intake today, which I have right over here. I didn't like that gray looking look. I didn't sand it down perfect. I don't need to have it sanded down perfect. Still come out pretty good. You know me, that backyard special. So here goes my paint. Perfect. Mix it up. I'm gonna use very little because I'm only doing a small spot on here, or a small little intake here. I don't need much. That reducer. Mix it up a little. And I wasn't using my big gun, which I was thinking about using, but didn't need to. I mean, I'm gonna try out my little touch-up gun. I've had it in storage forever, and I finally found it. So I'm gonna try this out. This HVLP. I think for this one, the bigger one like this, the whole kit was like 150, 200 bucks. Nothing too. I'm not gonna, that was 200 bucks. Nothing too expensive. Don't even have a lid, but gonna shoot anyways. Like I said, you don't need much to do all this stuff. You ain't gotta have a shop or any of that. And like I said, if you do, more power to you. But this is this backyard shit right here. So let me get this connected, and I'll post a video up here in a second. Alright, I got it in here. I got my PSI set to like 15 maybe. And compressor. So let's try it out. I'm gonna put the phone down and do this. Alright, back again. After putting about 6 layers or so, you should have a good even coat. It's all one coat now. Well, I mean one color. It's pretty solid. Now I'm gonna add the flakes. So just check that out. Same thing, cup, water bottle cup, clean it out. Nothing special, y'all. Nothing special. I could have went and got some cups at the paint store. Oh well. Use some clear, which is, there's a little bit in there. Enough to get the job done. Hell, that might have been perfect. I got another one. So do that. Me, I really don't count the flames. I mean the flames, the flakes. I normally just pour. Actually, hell with that. So maybe about that much. And that's it, y'all. Oh, some hardener. Let's see if I can open this with one hand. No, I can't. Hold on a second. I haven't used this clear in a while. Or this hardener ain't clear. It's just very hard to open. Damn. It's a full bottle too. A little bit of hardener. That should be good. Mix these up. Mix them up pretty well. And voila. I'm gonna just add a little bit more. Why? I just love the flakes. I did a couple other projects that I had put flakes in, gold flakes and blue flakes, like the subframes and shit like that, valve covers. Came out pretty sick. My first time using purple. Hey, actually one of my haters said that it looks gay as fuck. Well, thanks buddy. That's all I had to say. Just keep watching my videos. Pour that in the gun. And I'll be back. Let me get this and I'll shoot it real quick. Alright YouTube. I think I done had enough flakes. That's it. From here I'll just put another coat of clear, just pure clear, no flakes. I'll probably put about 2 to cover. Make sure the flakes are nice and covered. But like you can see, it's already shiny. Looks pretty dope, just like all the other parts. Well, that's my update, y'all. I guess I'll keep y'all posted. Me doing these wheels, getting them back to life, putting them back to life. And I laid my dash in there. Yeah, I still haven't done it. I just wanted to see what it looked like. It's been a while, so. Yeah, I'll keep you posted on the next video. I appreciate y'all subscribing, following me. I'll definitely keep y'all updated on everything. And yeah, y'all hit that like, subscribe. Appreciate y'all following, and I'll keep y'all updated. Thanks.